Very long.
Do I need to get on it?
Babe.
Okay.
Getting in our steps today. So we gotta cut it to the right.
Yup, right here.
To be able to get to that top part.
Oh, my shoes. Oh, another good. Oh, that's what? This is the lion. What is this? The lion.
I wonder if they actually ever go swimming.
I say they might.
Trying to see if I can get a good view of him.
Oh, so they're down there, right?
Yeah.
In that cave?
He was laying right on top, but out of view from.
Back, right?
We have to get to that top part.
Okay.
Otherwise, it was a much longer walk going that way to get up there.
Yeah, I'm not doing that.
So to the right. Wait, what was in this? Oh, this is supposed to be a tiger.
Where? Something's under the water.
No, that's just bubbles. All right, once again, tigers, those friggin' cats are smart, man. They hide out in the heat. And that's its training window. Ah.
Oh, we were there about in the black box.
See, there he is, right there.
Oh, look.
For those who didn't see him, he's right there.
I told you, you have to come in later in the day for it.
Probably they've been awake all night. Barely. Now it's time to.
Dude, it's like the hot part. They know to sleep. Conserve the energy. That's why they're smart. Finally time to take my first drink.
Your first?
Yes, we must stay hydrated. Well, apparently they're all dying. Dying. Look at them.
I even complained.
They're dying. They're all dying.
Daddy, this is.
And we're not even halfway yet.
It's hot water.
Look at this.
I do not want a picture.
There's our new room. All right, children, move in.
We could all sleep in there because, like,
Go ahead and move in,
we
children.
can fit, you know?
Oh, wow, this is squishy.
No, there.
She wants y'all against the wall, you all. Junior, against the wall.
Who am I missing?
Dayami.
Where's Dayami? Danay. Okay, together.
Where's Dayami?
There. Okay.
Serious.
Really?
She still wore the coat.
One, two.
Kenay, you should move back. I can't see Christian.
Christian's short, bro. Christian in the front. Hello. Okay, 1, 2. Okay.
She says 1, 2, and you go to wipe your face. Two.
What? Don't you think I'm sweating?
Oh my goodness.
Somebody have your body top.
Hey, need to cool them off?
Oh, we got the.
Yeah, we'll get over to there. You go to This way to the left.
To the left? Okay.
To the left, to the left.
We should see the Red River
move
Hog.
to the left, to the left.
There's a car chaser.
That's not a car chase. Ooh, gorillas. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh.
It's an ambulance.
Oh, 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 oh.
The arrival film.
Oh, 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 oh.
Oh, let's cool down. Feeling cold air out here.
And look at the handles. Oh, that is awesome.
Knock on the door.
Welcome to my. Wait, no, no. Everybody back up. Go back out. Go back out.
Cool down point. So, in here, we have Western Lowland Gorilla.
I need to sit down.
It's just.
There's only one thing.
I see a hog.
That's it. That's a red riding hog.
River hog, not
The
rider.
gorilla is probably smarter, and it's probably over this way.
Not my mom's name.
No telling where else it could be. Such a huge habitat.
Daddy. So once we leave this,
So
go
we
there
already like
and
did all of
Yeah.
this.
we'll get on a bridge.
Which part did we
No,
all-
we're up here now.
did
No.
all of this.
We
Not
did this. We haven't done this part yet. We'll have to hit that when we get to the end.
Yeah.
Because the entrance for it was over
We're
here.
exactly right here. We're
So
about
yeah,
like
we're up
giraffe
here right
people.
now.
we're about to walk on a
That's
bridge.
way over here.
Yeah.
We'll get to over there.
That's my people, bro.
Yeah, you're
That's your people?
Yeah.
I know. Quite stable. The Red River Hog. Oh, cool. Hey, slow down, children. Children, slow down a minute. Brooklyn, come back. Close the door. We're at a cool down point, and they want to stand there with the door open. We'll be back momentarily after this short commercial break. Have to wait for me.
There's my bed. There's my family right
Hi.
there.
Hi.
Now,
We're in the gorilla section.
supposed to be 4 of them. Where they hiding?
If I drop it, my
You're gonna go
Dude,
in.
you better put the wristband on it, like for real. Even I've been walking with my wrist through the wristband.
sweaty.
I said I've been walking with my wrist through the wristband.
Dayami, you better tighten that wristband. You better tighten that wristband.
Murray, find it.
Yeah,
My sister was really mean to me.
This is all connected to the gorillas.
Where'd the
Probably.
gorilla at?
We gotta walk this way.
I am terrified.
Because they might be over that way. I think that's the side they were on the last time when we came.
Boys, say hi. Say hi to the vlog. They don't really care.
Hi. There.
They start vlogging. Where the gorilla at? Where my people are? Sorry, that's not my people.
Your people?
My people are the giraffe.
Health and safety of our.
Look.
Look at that gorilla.
Oh, look at that pose. Hey, yo, what's up?
Say hi.
How you doing?
He said the y'all looking at.
Hungry?
Right?
Nice pose.
I don't
Nice
care
pose.
about yours.
Yeah, he's like.
Hey, you
Oh,
hungry?
oh no,
I'm
Daddy.
just here for the fame.
Oh, it's showing his butt.
Hey, don't you moon me.
He said, stop looking at me.
Hey, where's everybody else at?
Where your people at, bro?
Like they're probably.
Under the cave.
Oh, I would go.
Probably lettuce. Probably lettuce and cabbage or something.
Monkey pose. He's posing.
He keeps showing it. Look.
He's like, get away from me. Don't leave me alone. Oh.
Turn it on, you little.
It's so retarded.
With the
Recording while
screen.
you just showing the ground.
Yeah, you suck.
Shut up.
Creo que de vez en
No.
cuando tú puedes virarla y decir algo, tú sabes, como si tú estuvieras grabando. Like,
You gotta say something, Ma?
wait.
Mi mano. Mi mano.
Let me take a bath.
Hi.
Right, leaned over and drop.
Okay, I get the camera now.
Huh?
My people are coming this way. They're my
You
people.
gave up on it already?
The giraffe. Let's go to the giraffe.
It's going, yo.
My people, Ma? I'm not sure. They're my people, though.
Oh shoot.
The great oh God, I feel it. I feel air. Oh yeah, I feel air. There's definitely air.
Ay, no, yo quiero separar. Si vamos para el mismo sitio. This is even better. We are here. It's nice over here. It's a little rest. Not rest, just the air. Super hot today, so super fun. See other animals. Oh.
We had a few of those ones.
Grandma had this one before, I think.
I got this one. I got one of these ones.
I had this one and
I get one of these ones. I have one of these ones. I didn't make it to this one.
Jackie me dio este. Me lo dio ella. There's like he was here, like just right now, and he left.
I saw.
Yeah, I see the butt.
I saw a red butt. Hi, Brooklyn. Wait, Brooklyn.
Where'd you go?
I'm walking that way.
Took it out.
Oh, that's kind of cute.
going to the rhinos.
Yeah.
Right, Dad? We're going to the rhinos.
I think that's what's
Going
next.
to the elephants again.
Yeah.
My favorite
The elephants are smelly. Nobody likes
No,
them.
really.
That's
You
fun.
ain't old enough for one.
Everybody likes elephants. I need cold air, bro. Oh, shoot. Don't come on.